since M5 started to work with us in the spring of this past year, we've gone through the business from the top down and done probably the deepest analysis that any consulting firm we've ever worked with in the past has done. The biggest thing that I've enjoyed working with M5 is the continuity. It's not just a drop in, give us some recommendations, and then we never see M5 again. They're here with us almost every month through the goals that we've put in place financially, personnel-wise, and also production in the shop. And that continuity has really helped my team to be able to focus on follow-up and obviously make sure things don't slip away as you get busy and distracted with the normal day-to-day operations of the shop. We've identified some key principles that we've been trying to drive home through those visits every month. Some production, some financial, again, even some as far as staffing and hiring, some key positions. And so we've really enjoyed that ongoing relationship instead of it being a hit or miss kind of thing. We've completely revamped our production communication. We've kind of hit the reset button and gone back to some of the basics as far as simplifying communication. It's easy to get lost, especially with all of the management systems and different estimating systems and communication points that exist today. And I think the real beauty of it is simplifying that process back to the basics, having consistent production meetings, having an estimator parts meeting in the afternoon as a follow-up to the morning production meeting that we have with our entire staff. And those kind of things have really helped create a flow of communication we haven't had in years. But once that was in place, it's just a great amount of natural communication just from having everyone in that room. Again, it's a simple concept, but putting that structure in place to work with our facility and then the continuity and consistency of revisiting that on a monthly basis has been probably the biggest key, I'd say, for us. We've had a significant increase in sales volume through the focus that we've put on the production process and those kind of things. We've really driven about a 20% increase in the months that we put this process in place over a previous year. And we've also seen a huge improvement in technician efficiency without doing a lot more than just communicating a lot better and having these structures in place that we talked about. It's not a cookie cutter. It's not, here's a boilerplate with recommendations that we give to everyone. It's very much tailored to your individual business. And that's the key, is it's focusing on what your needs are and building a plan that will help you be successful versus just coming in and saying, this is what we tell everyone we go into how to do. Our time with M5 so far has really helped us revitalize our business and our processes over the last 6 months, and we're super excited to see where this is going to take us into the future.